It's 2023. Do you need an expensive microphone to make great music? I'm going to answer the highly debated question in this video. No. The answer is simply no. Let's get into it. So if you were to be looking in the market for a lower tier microphone, you'd probably come across the Behringer B-1. This thing goes for about $99 and it's a phantom powered large condenser microphone. On the front of it you'll see it has a high pass filter and a negative 10 dB pad. If you think about it, it's really all you'd need if you were someone like me who just does vocals. For $99, this thing's kind of a f***ing boss. The high pass filter is going to be great if you're trying to get some low rumble out of your recordings, and the negative 10 dB pad is if you're recording a high powered source. So maybe you threw this thing on a guitar amp and you didn't want to destroy it, you put the pad on and you're good to go. So what I'd like to do now is take the Behringer B-1, bring it into the studio and show you that you can make a good sounding recording. Let's dive in. Follow me down deep into the rising water. I don't really got it, but I know I won't try to stop her. It's killing me that you're always trying to find your way, leaning on the ghosts of the past all day. I just wanna feel okay. I just wanna feel okay. Follow me down deep into the rising waters. I don't really got it, but I know I won't try to stop her. It's killing me that you're always trying to find your way out. Always trying to find your way out. I just wanna feel okay. I just wanna feel okay. Alright, so let's talk about the pros and cons of the Behringer B-1 real quick. So the pros are going to be, obviously, the price. The fact that you're getting a large condenser microphone for $99 is insane. It comes with a carrying case, hard shell, it comes with a shock mount, it comes with a pop filter, and it's got switches on the front such as the high pass filter and the negative 10 dB pad. I believe there's a microphone one step up from it that's like $140. It may be called the Behringer B2. The Behringer B2, in my opinion, is cool, but I don't think if you're going to do vocal work like me, that it is worth upgrading to that next step. All it will do is give you a couple extra puller patterns, which, what are you doing? You're not. If you're gonna go for a microphone with extra puller patterns to record multiple sources of vocals, perhaps someone's on the front and the back of it, at that point I would be looking at different microphones. Unless you're on a budget, of course. So one of the drawbacks of the Behringer B-1, I'd say, is the sibilance of the microphone. I did notice that I have a lot of S's and T's that come through it, but if you keep yourself a little bit further from the microphone and you have a de-esser, which is built into pretty much any DAW, you'll be okay. So my goal in this video was to show you that you can receive a professional result without having to spend a whole ton of money. The Behringer B-1 is a relatively good mic for the price, and if you're looking to make music and you don't have a high budget, this is the way to go. No more excuses, lads. Get out there, get a $99 microphone, and start making hit records. If you enjoyed watching this video, please consider liking or doing whatever buttons are below me so that I can show up again. Until next time, I'll see you soon.